others, and it's very unfortunate that so many deaths are taking place. Nevertheless, the government has started taking those steps which are necessary for the safety on the road. As the chairman of the Road Safety Committee, we are having frequent meetings, and certain things that have been recommended, more than I think 50% of the recommendations have been fulfilled. Now, as far as certain other external things are concerned, what you are saying, road condition is not good and all, I think you should ask the PWD, particularly the chief engineer, what is he doing, what are the engineers doing, because it is their responsibility. One cannot always blame excessive rain, because rains are a phenomenon which is always going to be there. In fact, they have to be think very seriously, because we cannot and should not accept a situation where pothole is a cause for a serious accident where person actually loses his life. So it is high time we take steps in that direction.
Regarding the pothole, who is the responsible for this condition of?
How is the transport department?
No, because the accident.
Responsible? I think it is a collective responsibility on everyone. I don't want to shirk from my responsibility, but we are also very, very serious about solving this problem and see that the minimum accident or no accident situation arises. And that's the reason I remember when Nitin Gadkari ji was here, certain funds were required. We did not have the money. He was kind enough to sanction it. I went a step further and asked for more. He said, I will give you whatever funds. Please implement the safety measures. But you know, even making corrections on bends on some road somewhere, sometimes how much controversy arises. I don't want to name the spots. People come up in arms against that also. So you are not able to sometimes implement for the sake of road safety. But as against all these odds, government is doing its best, will continue to do so to see that there are no accidents.
So we talk about roads. Even there, bridge potholes. We talk about roads, potholes on roads. New bridge potholes.
Quality of works.
You agree with this? Even new bridge and technology we are fast, more advanced, and the costly technology is correct. Is it correct?
Just because I am the transport minister, you are importing certain things onto me, which is not right.
So how many black spots are more right now?
Huh?
Black spots?
I think we have already worked on more than 50 such black spots, means 50%, and others work is in progress. In fact, I will be shortly having next month a meeting again of the Road Safety Council meeting, where every stakeholder, every department will be asked to explain. In fact, I want to remind through the press, in the last meeting, I had made a very big thing out of it. I had reported to the Chief Secretary. The principal chief engineer did not come for the meeting. This is how seriously they take this type of thing. I have said from the next meeting onwards, all the departmental heads have to come. And I said if they don't come, I will ask for action to be taken. And after that, things started falling in place. So these officers also, some of them, don't take it very lightly. Should not be the case.
Okay.